Hello guys, welcome to Siritech online training. Today we will see one more tip related to variable assignments in Python. Suppose we have three variables a, b, c, assign the value 10, 20, 30. So that when we print the values a, b, c, the values 10, 20, 30 will be printed. In Python, there is one more way how we can assign values to the variables. The same expression we can write in Python like a comma b comma c equals to 10 comma 20 comma 30. So that the first value 10 it is assigned to the first variable a, the second value 20 assigned to the second variable b, the third value 30 assigned to the third variable c. So here also when we print the values, the output will be same. Okay. So this is one more way how we can assign values to variables in Python. How is it? Thank you.